going to show you how to make easy coat hooks from old scrap wood. These are old fence boards. You can use old scrap wood, you can use burn wood, you can use all kinds of things. This is a super easy project, fun to make new coat rack hooks and purse hooks for your home. Let's get started. A pile of old fence boards that I picked up from a farm estate sale. I have used them for so many things, and I'm using the ends to make these coat racks. When working with old weathered wood, be sure to sand it smooth and sand off any loose paint. If it's really dirty, give it a little clean. Be careful not to sand off all of the really good chippy paint. I like to use DIY all natural clear wax. It's a great way to seal in all of the patina of the paint and protects my hook. It will keep that paint from chipping and it'll look amazing. Next thing I'm going to do is put a hook on the back so it can hang on the wall. I can get these at Home Depot or any hardware store. We're ready for the fun part. I got these vintage looking hooks on Amazon. I'll put links below. I'd like to drill a pilot hole of where the screw is going to go in. So I'm just going to do that, and then that screw will easily go in and my hook will be about ready. Repeat the process of drilling the pilot hole and then add the screw. Don't screw too tight. You don't want to strip that hook because they're usually little teeny hooks, but that is a super easy project. All we have to do is wait for the wax to dry and buff it. I have so many of these old pieces of wood, I decided to make a bunch of them while I had my tools and supplies out. I have a slightly different hook for some of them. I love this vintage look. This one will be a double hook. I like to use a lint-free rag to buff the dry wax. I find that it gives it a really nice smooth shine, and it will make the hooks really look lovely as the light will bounce off of them. Looking back, probably would have been a better idea to finish doing the wax and buffing it before I put the hardware on, but I'm usually impatient and I just wanted to get this project going. For big projects, I like to use my Buffy Buffs a lot wax brush that attaches to your drill. It's great for big projects and buffing fast. So happy with the way this turned out. I love my old fence board turned hooks. And I hope that you will be inspired to make some fun hooks for yourself. If you liked this video, please leave a comment, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I have lots more fun upcycles coming to you. And as always, don't throw it out, please redo it. And I will see you later. Have a great day.